You've heard it a million times. Waking up early is the secret to productivity, success, and even happiness. But if you're anything like me, you've probably rolled your eyes and thought, yeah, sure, I'll just wake up at 5 a.m. and magically have everything together. But waking up early shouldn't be some complex, life-altering habit that only superhumans can master. What if it could actually be simple, and maybe even enjoyable? Stick around, because today I'm going to show you how waking up early can actually be easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 things you can do to make waking up early a habit that sticks. I know it sounds too easy to be true, but trust me, once you master these 3 steps, waking up early will feel like second nature. Let's not waste any more of your time and get right to it. Step 1. Adjust your mindset about mornings. Let's get real for a second. How many of you cringe at the thought of waking up early? The first thing you hear is your alarm and your mind immediately says, "Nah, I'm good. I need more sleep." It's a pretty common reaction, but here's the thing. Your mindset about mornings matters more than you think. Waking up early isn't about gritting your teeth through the pain. It's about embracing the opportunity to have your time before the world starts demanding things from you. Try shifting your mindset to see early mornings as a gift, not a punishment. Imagine having uninterrupted time for yourself, a few quiet hours where you get to focus on what's important to you. Want a quick win? Start by setting an intention before bed. Tell yourself, tomorrow morning I'm going to wake up early and use that time for something that matters to me. If you wake up with purpose, it won't feel like such a chore. It'll feel exciting. Step 2. Set up your environment for success. Now that your mindset is in a better place, let's tackle the next thing. Your environment. You can't expect to wake up early if your room looks like a disaster zone or if your alarm is across the room, forcing you to get out of bed just to turn it off. Start by making your morning routine as inviting as possible. Try these simple steps. 1. Get your clothes ready the night before. No scrambling to find something to wear when your brain is still half asleep. This saves time and mental energy in the morning. 2. Put your alarm out of arm's reach, but don't make it too far. The trick is, if you have to physically get out of bed to turn off the alarm, you're more likely to stay up instead of going back to sleep. 3. Create a peaceful sleep environment. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Maybe even light a candle or set some calming music for your wind-down routine before bed. This helps signal to your body that it's time to relax, which will help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more rested. Step 3. Start with small, manageable goals. This is the main thing about waking up early. It's like building a muscle. If you try to jump straight into waking up at 5 a.m. when you've been a night rider for years, you'll likely hit a wall. The key to making waking up early a sustainable habit is to start small. Start by waking up just 15 minutes earlier than usual. Just 15 minutes. Maybe you use that extra time to journal, stretch, or even have a quiet cup of coffee. Once that becomes a habit, you can gradually shift it to 30 minutes or an hour. And here's a pro tip. Don't punish yourself if you slip up. If you wake up late one day, don't throw in the towel. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency is key, but it doesn't mean being perfect. It really is that simple. Don't force yourself into some rigid schedule. It's about setting yourself up for success, having a clear intention, and giving yourself the space to enjoy those early hours. I want to hear from you. If you're already waking up early, what's your secret? And if you're still struggling, which of these steps do you think will help you the most? Let me know in the comments below. It's not easy, but you'll get it right. I believe in you.